not in there. Does your life suck? Did your dog beat you in a poker match? Did you stub your toe today? Did your neighbor eat your quarters and didn't give them back to you? Did grandma beat you in bingo? Did the IRS take your marshmallows? Did your house land on someone's sister and then you stole her shoes and now you're on the run? Do you have a funny wart that won't shut the fuck up? Did Amazon give your package to that bastard Steve? Did your dad traumatize you in a life-threatening game of chutes and ladders? Did you get laser eye surgery and no one noticed? Do you have explosive diarrhea and now they won't let you back into Macy's? Now the answer to all your problems isn't money, it isn't therapy, it isn't even a high-priced lawyer who likes you a lot. It's crab Rangoon. Which is what we're gonna be making today, here on Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen. So let's get started. So here we have all the ingredients for our crab Rangoon. So today we're working with cream cheese, wonton wrappers, crab. We have water chestnuts, we have 1 egg, we have water, we have MSG and onion powder, we have minced garlic, we have light soy sauce, and we have green onions. Now we're going to prep some of the ingredients. Now it's time to slice and dice. Make sure your knife is real.
That's a genius move.
Thank you.
We're going to make the thinnest green onions. Pay no attention to the really big chunky ones. They are just there to observe. Chop, 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 chop. So much chopping. We're gonna do a lot of chopping, actually. It's gonna be great. All right, so now that we've chopped up a whole heck load of green onions, we're gonna put them right there. So now we're chopping up our water chestnuts. And of course, as everyone knows, these are just soggy nuts.
Oh my God! I was in the pool!
Chop, 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 chop. Get in the chopper!
Get to the chopper!
My favorite quote, George Washington. Ah, get off my finger. They're all over my hands.
Ew, girl! Ew!
Yeah. Everywhere's a chopping board if you believe hard enough. No, it's the crab walk of shame. What am I gonna do? Oh no! I'm getting sliced. Eep! Someone's splitting me in two. Ah. I almost got my finger there. Be a different kind of meat. So fun fact about crabs, they are the zodiac sign for Cancer. And Cancers, like myself, are known for a bunch of things like being emotional, but being very nurturing, and also having big dick energy. Now if you're wondering, oh man, Jackie, you're using actual crab? Nope. This is imitation crab, mother trucker. Fun fact about me, when I lived in Glendale, many years ago, I used to eat crab, just imitation crab meat, and a big thing of like either butter or a big thing of soy sauce. I just dip it in there and blah, 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 blah. It was the most nutritional thing I've ever had in my life. Don't tell that to Lucky Charms.
It's a tasty part of this good breakfast.
But we need tons of crab meat because we're making so many. Cats love crab. Yes, they do. I'm a cat. There's so much crab. I just want it to be more crab and less cream cheese.
That doesn't make sense.
Now we're going to shove all this crab up in this bowl. So normally I use my trusty whisk to mix anything that I'm mixing up, but my whisk is going to be cosplaying a spatula today. So we're going to mix our soy sauce. Scrape, 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 scrape. Just another pap appointment.
I'm not a doctor, but I play one on TV.
And then our minced garlic. The sound effects are free. Then our MSG and our onion powder. And then we're just gonna mix this all up, make it nice and healthy looking, you know, the way God intended.
God He knows what turns you on.
Have fun.
Smells juicy. So next we're going to add our cream cheese, which as everyone knows comes from the creamiest goats of Philadelphia. And make sure that your cream cheese is nice and softened. Otherwise, if you have it hard, it's gonna be really difficult to turn that Viagra off.
Uh-oh. Boner alert.
All right, well, I'm just gonna do this by hand. I can feel the power!
You need many years of therapy.
This does look good, despite its look. I probably should have added more cream cheese, though. I will be honest. Look at that. That's what we want! You know, like that Game of Thrones episodes where Daenerys is eating the heart? This is what that is. Just like, I don't want to ruin my look. I only wear it once to the post office, and I gotta keep it flavorful forever. Keep that shit fresh. I think this is good enough, and I think we can go ahead and put it in the fridge just to cool it down, because it is very creamy. Squeegee off my fingers the way Mama taught me. Woohoo! Very finger looking good, but then I'd be getting crabs and soggy nuts in my mouth. God, I think I'm just making it worse all over me. I'm gonna wash my hands. Woo, shit!
Well, there's no coming back from that.
So now that our hands have been cleansed with holy water, we're gonna do the thing that CIA likes to do all the time. We're gonna cover shit up. Oh, wait. There we go. We're gonna cover up our bowl of juicy, juicy goodness, like so. And then we're gonna put it in the fridge for about a half an hour. See, you can learn things from here. Wow, there's fridge space in here! So now we're going to prep our wonderful oil. Now I've already have it in its little pot here, so we're gonna put it on the stove, and then we're going to set it to medium heat. We're just gonna let that sit, and in the meantime, we're going to make our egg wash in preparation for our wonton wrap. First, we're going to take our egg, crack it open. Open for me. And with the help of my trusty whisk, we're gonna whisk this egg to bits. You thought I wasn't gonna do this, huh?
Well, I saw it coming and I can't see a thing.
Nice and slow, nice and slow, nice and slow. Fast, 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 fast. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Fast, 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 fast. We're gonna add a little bit of water. Fast, 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 slow, 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 slow. So that's how we get our egg wash, through the power of friendship.
You don't have any friends.
So while our oil is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and put together our little crab rangoons. We are undressing our hot, sexy mixture.
God, that's sexy.
Put down one sheet. We're gonna take our egg wash. We're gonna finger our egg wash.
Naughty, naughty.
And then just trace around the edges. Nice and wet. You wanna hold down your wrap as you finger it.
No, don't like that.
Then we're gonna take a tablespoon of our delicious concoction here. Like that. Woo! She landed not in the right area. There we go. Ooh, it's a lot harder now. And then we're going to put our corners together like so. These two, and then we're gonna bend this one in, and we want our edges to seal like so. Seal, damn you. And there we go. We have a little Rangoon in its baby form. And we're just gonna keep repeating this for 29, 30, 40 million times.
You suck at math.
All right, so now it's time to dunk these crab motherfuckers. And we're going to dunk them in our hot oil, which is already at temperature. I did a couple little practices here, so I hope you guys don't mind. But we're gonna drop these in very gently. We're gonna go one at a time. In you go, don't die. We're gonna wait until these guys are nice and golden brown. So nice. getting all bubbly. Oh no, they're drowning. We're drowning crabs. All right, one. Pow! All right, these two are almost done. So now we're gonna add the next two. So now we have our crab rangoons all completely fried. And of course, as everyone knows, that crab rangoons has to have a sauce. Now, what kind of sauce, you might ask?
I specifically didn't ask.
Well, call me traditional, but I'm a purveyor of fine tastes, such as vanilla bean paste.
Well, yeah, doy.
So my producer just informed me that I have already filled my quota for vanilla bean paste. We will be using sweet and sour sauce instead. Yay. So now, the decision that everyone has been waiting for. Who will live and who will die in the Crab Rangoon Wars?
Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely. Never. Say it again, y'all.
You will die. Deep, 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 deep. Get it nice and juicy and wet. Get all that sweet and sour sauce all gooey up in there. And then we take a bite. Okay, that's crack.
Don't do crack. Crack is whack.
God, why didn't I make this sooner? Holy cow. Oh. This is fucking good. I'll be honest, I kind of took a shot of the dark at this recipe. And now I have a new favorite recipe, so woohoo, fuck you, apple and pear clafouti. And there she goes, my little apple and pear mess. Nom, nom, nom. Okay, so now that I have the life force sucked back into me,
I have no soul. Have a nice day.
I don't have one either.
the recipe is down below. Go ahead and try it yourself. Let me know how it works out. If it does work out, awesome. If it doesn't, you probably did something wrong, you stupid idiot. But go ahead and like, subscribe below, and of course share it with your friends, your families, your neighbors, your enemies, and everybody in between. I will see you guys later. Leave me alone. I will be enjoying my crab rangoon. Bye. Crab ASMR. Oh, so good.